Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today we're going to do the battle of the protein treatment because I am out of, I have a little bit left for, these two. So we're going to try and see how that works for my hair. And this is the Mielle Organic Deep Conditioner. It has protein in it and it is for dry and damaged hair. This is by Sheamoisture, the Manuka honey, and this is to strengthen, and also it is for extreme dry and brittle hair. So they both have they're both saying they're gonna do the same thing, so we're gonna see how that turns out. So if you do, my right hand side is going to be the Mielle Organic, and then my left hand side will be the Sheamoisture. My left hand side will be the Sheamoisture one. So let's see how that goes. I'm gonna start with the Sheamoisture. I have just very little left, so hopefully it works for one side. Okay. Okay, so this is the Mielle Organic side, this side, and this is the Sheamoisture side, that side, and this is how much hair I lost for both sides. So I'm gonna cover my hair with the plastic bag, sit under the hooded dryer for 15 minutes, gonna come back, and then I'm gonna give you my final opinion to see which one won. We don't know yet. Right now we can tell that the Mielle Organic is just sitting on my hair, and then this just went into my hair really good. So we'll see. I am back to see who won. Is it Mielle Organic or is it Sheamoisture? Which one won? This is so hard. Oh my goodness. They both did the job. Like, my hair feels moisturized. It feels strong at this side. The same thing goes for this side, moisturized and strong. So I'm like, so which side won? I'm not gonna keep you waiting. I love this the best. Maybe because it went into my hair, it penetrated into my hair, and it's very thick. I don't know, I just loved it, and it was so easy to wash out. I was able to wash it out in a few seconds, but when it came to the Mielle Organic side, I kept on washing. I'm like, I still feel like there's still some in there, So in conclusion, Sheamoisture won. I love it the best. It was so hard because my hair loves them both, except that this is watery and it keeps on spilling everywhere, and I'm just like, no. So if I'm gonna buy any more protein treatment for my hair, I'm definitely gonna buy this again. So let me know if you've used any of this protein treatment and how did your hair feel about it. And if you have any more protein treatment that you want to share with us, just leave it down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.